Good morning, welcome to my video. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, and welcome to my video. All right, yeah, I want to tell you about, or want to talk about Angolan gastronomy. Angolan gastronomy. All right, yeah, what kind of ingredients of Angolan gastronomy would you like to know? Yes, I know that you want. Yeah, but I want to tell you some of Angolan gastronomy, and the first one is corn, right? Another beans. Another sweet potatoes. Another seafoods. We have a lot of seafood, right? We have a lot of, and we have meat like chickens, right? And we have palm oil, right? We have palm oil, and we have a cassava, or another way, funge, right? We have a funge, and we have another ingredient, right? Like kalulu, right? Kalulu, yeah, is a proper ingredient of Angolan gastronomy. Yeah, and we have a kizaka, right? Kizaka is the same, kizaka in English. We have another way to say kizaka, right? And is in Angola is particularly the ingredients of Bakongo peoples. They like kizaka, and they like things like chicken, like mamba chicken, right? Mamba chicken, right? Is a good ingredient to Angola gastronomy. Good ingredient. Yeah, my friends, for today is all. Yeah, and I hope you to see again, but don't leave now. Don't go on now. Leave your subscription, right? And share this video to another ones, and come wherever you want, and come wherever moment that you will be free to be connected in our channel, in my channel, or in our channel. We are together.